you feel safe when you're at home? Do you ever worry about theft, someone breaking into your home while you're away, or worse? When it comes to making your home secure, don't trust this job to just anyone. When it's your home or your business, you need to make sure that you're dealing with a home security service that has the knowledge and experience to install the right security system for your needs, quickly and effectively. We would love to help you. You deserve a security service that is professional, polite, punctual, and effective. One that is committed towards saving you time and money and protecting your home from intrusion. We will assess your home security needs quickly, tell you the cost, and get the job done right. We take a great deal of pride in our work and would love to provide you with a free estimate and review of your options. Contact us today. You can reach us by following the directions on this page. We look forward to hearing from you.